Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name of Chen Elizabeth. I've come to present on how to create report cards using Microsoft Excel. So if you want to create your report cards using Microsoft Excel, you can watch this video. So you come to the Start window, you will click on Excel, you type Excel and after typing you come and open the Excel workbook by double left clicking. So you come to New, then you click a blank workbook. When you click on it, the blank workbook will open. So you insert the details of your students that you want to give them the report card. So you put their name in the first cell. The second one you put subjects like chemistry. Let us just put in short chemistry, bios. Then you also put what? Math. So you give your students the names here, Liz. We have Peter. We have Mercy. We have Joseph. So you can now put the marks of your students. We have 89, 90, 78, 56. You also come and give them marks. We have 90, 89, we have 67, and then 45. You also come here, you give 67, 88, 56, then we have 45. Those are the marks of our students. You can put their total marks. So we say total. So with the total, you can use two methods. We have formula and then functions. So if you want to use functions, you start with it. You say equals to. For sum, you say sum. You open your bracket, shift, open the bracket. Then you say from this cell B2 to B2. Then you close, shift, close. Then now you can press enter. So the total marks of students will appear here. Instead of calculating for all students, you come at the corner, you press the plus button. This plus the ball sign, you drag it, you hold it tight, then you drag it downwards. So the total marks of students will appear as you see. And if you're using formula, you will still give you the same thing. You say equals to, open your bracket, shift, open. Then you say, you have B2, plus C2 plus D2. Then you close it and you press enter. The total marks of students will also appear the same way you have done while you were using functions. Then you pull it downwards. So we come to average of students. Average marks. So those are the average of students. We are going to use the same thing, both functions and formula. We start with the function. Say equals to average. Then you open the bracket, shift 9. Then you say from B2 to B2. Then you close your bracket and you press enter. So the average mark of students will appear here as you see it. So that is the average marks of our students. Then, even if you are using formula, it will give you the same thing. You say equals to, our formula will be the average, shift, open the bracket, then you open another bracket, then you say our cell B2 plus C2 plus D2. Then you close your bracket and you divide by 3 and you close. Then you press enter. So the total marks, the average marks of students will appear here the same way you use what function. Then you come here, when you see a ball plus, you drag it downwards, and you can now see these are what the average marks of our students. So we are going to give these students their what positions. Call them what rank. So we can say the rank of students or positions. So in positions, you can come here and say equals to, you open, you say rank, and you open a bracket. You can see this one. You open the bracket. After opening the bracket, now you can say this one, which is cell G2, comma, from G2, this G2, to this G what? G5. From G2 to G5. And redo it here. From G2 to G2 to G5. Then you close, shift, close. Then you insert $sign at the beginning and at the end. You put it here at the beginning of that cell. Shift 4, that is $sign. You even put it in the middle of the what? The cell name. Again, shift 4. That is another $sign. You come and do the same here. Shift 4, that is $sign. And then you put another one. Shift 4, that is another $sign. You can now press what? Enter. See, the positions of students appear. Instead of doing the same thing for every student, just come at the edge here. Then you press this tight, then you drag it downward. So the positions of the students are as you're seeing them right now. Then now you come to what? Comment. You want to comment for the students to pass or repeat. So you say for it, you write here comment. So write comment. After writing comments, you come down here and say equals to, if you open a bracket, if the average marks, which is G2, is greater than or equals to 50, comma, open quotation, promoted to what? Let's say S6. Close your quotation. That is the comment for students who what? Average marks is above 50. Then, if you open another bracket, G2 is less than 50. G2 is less than 50. Then shift, you open quotation, repeat, S5. You close your what? Quotation. Then you close your bracket. First bracket and then the second bracket. As you can see, then you press what? Enter. So our comment is as you see here. So you can now drag it downwards downwards like this. Then you can see. So 4 students were promoted and 1 student was meant to repeat what? S5. So we are going to the gradings. We want to learn how to grade the students. So for example, here you insert, you come and insert a column here. Insert. Then we have inserted a column. So we want to grade the students. And put your grade. So you come and say equals to. Come and say equals to. After you saying equals to, then you say if. You come here and text if. If you open the bracket, the student has a mark, like say D2 is greater than or equals to 75, comma, then the student has D1. That is D1. Then you close your quotation. If, open another bracket, if D2 is greater than or equals to 70, comma, comma, then the student has D2. Then you close your bracket, close your quotation, If, open another bracket, D2 is greater than or equals to 65, comma, then that student has what? C3. You close your quotation. Then you again say if that student, if open another bracket, D2 is greater than or equals to 60, comma, then the student has what? C4. Then you close your quotation. And again say if, open another bracket, the student has D2, that is the cell, D2 is greater than or equals to 55, then the student has what? C5. Then you close your quotation. Comma. If, open another bracket, D2 is greater than or equals to 50, comma, then that student has what? C6. Then you close your quotation. And again say if, open another bracket, the student has a marks which is greater than or equals to 45, comma, then the student has pass 7. Has pass 7. Then you close your quotation. And again say if, open another bracket, D2 is greater than or equals to 40, comma, then that student has pass 8. Then you close your quotation. And you again say if the student, open another bracket, has D2 which is less than 40, comma, that student, open quotation, as what? F 9. Close your quotation. So now we have said if a student has D2 greater than or equals to 75 D1, if D2 is greater than 70 or equals to, then it's D2. The same to this one. We can check it whether it's correct. D2 is greater than or equals to 60 is C4. Greater than or equals to 50 C5. Greater than or equals to 50. So again what? C6. Greater than or equals to 45. That is past 7. Greater than or equals to 40. That is past 8. Greater than or equals to, less than 40. That is F9. Now you close your bracket. We have how many brackets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 brackets. So now we shall close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 brackets. Then you press enter. So the grading has already come, as you can see. Then instead of grading each and every student, you just scroll it downwards. You come here, when you see a ball plus sign, you drag it downwards. Drag it downwards, as you can see. So these are the gradings of our students. You can do the same to this one by copying and pasting. Thank you for following my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hi, we meet again.